You ever left your bike out in the rain? Then boom, red crusty scars all over it? That, my friend, is rust. And it's not just ugly, it's metal cancer. It eats through ships, planes, bridges, even your grandma's garden shears. But what actually causes rust? Why does it only attack certain metals? And how fast can it destroy stuff? Let's break it down molecule by molecule.
Rust is what happens when iron meets oxygen and water and decides to throw a party you didn't invite. More scientifically, it's a chemical reaction called oxidation. When water, H2O, lands on iron, Fe, it mixes with oxygen, O2, from the air, and boom, iron oxide forms. That's rust. But here's the catch. It's not just the water. The water acts as an electrolyte, which means it helps electrons move around. And when electrons move, reactions go crazy. Iron gives up some electrons, oxygen snatches them, and you're left with that flaky reddish-brown crust. Basically, no water, no rust, no oxygen, no rust. So yes, you could technically prevent rust by living in a vacuum or on Mars. What metals can rust? Here's where it gets spicy. Not all metals rust. Rust is iron-specific, so only metals that contain iron, like steel, can actually rust. Aluminum? Nope. Copper? Nah. Gold? Never. They corrode, sure, but they don't rust. So your cast iron skillet? That'll rust. Your aluminum soda can? It'll just dent when you drop it. And steel? Steel is basically iron's buff cousin, but it still rusts unless it's stainless steel, which has chromium mixed in. Chromium forms a protective barrier, like a microscopic force field. Fun fact, you can scratch stainless steel and it still won't rust because chromium's force field heals itself. How does rust spread? Rust spreads like a zombie virus for metal. Once it starts in one spot, it just keeps going. Why? Because rust is porous and flaky, so it doesn't protect the surface, it exposes more of the metal underneath. Imagine putting sunscreen on that melts your skin. That's rust. It doesn't just sit there. It eats deeper. And it spreads faster when 1. There's salt in the water like near oceans or on salted winter roads. 2. There's pollution in the air. Acid rain equals turbo mode. 3. The temperature keeps changing. Freeze-thaw action cracks the metal. In the worst conditions, rust can eat through a car in 3 to 5 years. Bridges collapse, ships sink, bolts snap in half. Rust costs the world billions of dollars every year. How to prevent rust? So, how do you stop this red monster? Here's the arsenal. 1. Paint it. Paint forms a barrier between metal and air/water. It's like giving your car a metal raincoat. 2. Oil or grease it, especially for tools and machinery. Grease is the armor of the industrial world. 3. Galvanization. Coating iron with zinc, which corrodes first and protects the iron. That's what happens in galvanized nails and fences. 4. Use stainless steel. Remember that chromium force field? It's expensive but durable. Perfect for kitchen tools and surgery stuff. 5. Rust converters. These are special chemicals that turn rust into a protective coating. It's like hiring a bodyguard made from your enemy. Bonus hack, keep it dry. Moisture is rust's favorite drink. No water equals no party. So yeah, rust might look boring, but it's destructive, relentless, and surprisingly smart. And it's always out there, waiting to eat your stuff. Next time you see a rusty bolt, don't ignore it. That's not just corrosion, it's a full-blown metal apocalypse.